Ebusia for a year and Rada and a secondary high court a 2-year court case on a year Takra day for kidnapped girls no a day ebani we ye cry judge penia wote and semno so and then the final judgment at the etuga. Nebusia for a year suspect ni nu ana to say one ejina court ye preside over or a one more and to say so woman na boni e course no enkwala no e kidnapping ni wo mu ewu ni wo mu enwo mu bi me kire eye Samuel the tip wolves ene ebims no eye John no eye na down for I do mo e kopie mu e wo secondary high court no secondary high court tina ensem no so no wo mu edidi se wo mu eye ni babonefo a tese boni a ye di ato wo mu so no wo mu edi no tese kwan ense fata timodin kwan so a emu be hia pa se wo mu eba kodemu one more enkwa edeninya no a death sentence. Now no na say one more a final judgment here to Dewi no amount for the donor about judge me they no abaso say want me a fair judgment to because justice say will be what treaty kind here so one also say can and won't want it so it me will be there no to one and self attack ninti na as a judgment no ne kwa so enenam but ni nyam no awofo no bi no so ehu ni say those judgment no wo mu die but ni nyam no wo mo ebo enye ekwan a ye de proceed so efa wo mo emma na wo mo ayira ye no ekwan e ko hu so wo mewu ene die mu so do say na ye case ni emu no yet me identify and free suspect no enim say woman nim to so woman ka say o kwa no so ye fine ye kunkola na ko do say go say but just evidence nim dey say nyama wo do bom gina so eno mu dey akwa sentence na ni nyam no awofo no ka say na bi say wo mu titifie ena to say wo mo edi wo mu emma no case di go to police fo ni mu police fo eston tem na police fo peni na sa be si adi peni na woda ensem no ano CID boss mami tiwa edi betu wo nim say wo mu ma no wo mo bebi o mo wo no mani edi echire atese kura no safe and check and the seven so ka create and wo ma sa betu da say ma ko hu nipa ho ADS bones ni scar ni de keka ho was septic tank bi ti o mo di say e kola na nti na so mo ego mu fie awodro mu ebe chichi wo mu just mo ko DNA test no so no eba ya wo mo se wo mo ma no elewu enu ti wo mo etiase enye because nke o mind the woman say bia no ye the paperwork adasije da also okay you are here shemu no enu nie ye bi ye shemu ekwa ba to this conclusion no enu nie na so mo case de akwa fere ya te eni ekika ense kika at is a fact bia matter wo nti na ebu be nya pa say ense no mepe no maka ni am mo aka so nya ntiase because wo mo de ye papa ba ko de ni say to do no gd system na ne man no wo mo tiase ne ba no ewo ma mi ti wo nti onu na be chori bia ekwa no ewo yin ko tie ti na wo fo no de wo mo ense no etuda na ye ba be ma ye te che bia no message asomo
ye won sam bi wo ha Ghana ha yanya fe abato wo tuyi ka te no mo hu de na nakofo ado wo wi Mahama wo lose also ampene do court ka te na o kire ti se ahena wo fi gina hei eben result na wo ka ye DNA test na wada abra ahena wo fo na obaka che na mo fo wo wu ahena nyim de nyamba no wo apostle na ahena na ti wo mami ti wo ho nyamba no wo mami ti wa na mpayimfo wo Ghana ho no ho so wasi ya boa wanye mami ti wa mra no ahena abata ne mami ti wa yinyo en bi se de anya mafoma no abaka che na mo fo ho ekumpo ni ti hwi ontui na echi no wadan won ho abaka che mo fo no na che mami ti wa no okuan last year kwa akra kimita apotum mpayimfo waso afa sample aka test sisi eben result no chere wakaye no oye ana B ma me so there one doctor last obi jan ha oye police no obi jan oye tu no da oye adwuma da na wakaye de o sha bana ata nche meka che na wala ebe wi ade nchele o waye womba na oya de bi oyo nwunu ho edie na poso
me de mani je won say ya tina sia for 3 hours wo mo ko recess ba ye so na wo mo de sa verdict ba ye and media dey am de because some people obi ba na wa cost of fee dey o yes say esi nti said ye wo mo kan dey media am de pa so only says of the Oma can only disudia. I am a day. Because my foy, I'm so much what they are no one who's super for no one with dear Bobo. And this all the Oma can. I hope Sank die a baby son. Not yet, now, so I'm saying for the upper the way I won't be. But back one hand pan say. At the time as the issue started, don't send there was some officer who were police officer woman and boy suspecting man escaping from themselves. And he started and they were saying that and your woman can say so somebody who aided them to escape from themselves. And not like your case decided they should bring those officers. Officer Metepe and officer for freedom. They are for one man up to now. And so say I made it I made it. Say woman so ebe would be and so
ha e was for a year ago now so ni nyemu no na me dey na say e ye case yetimi dey ba na bi ya ye atembu ese fata no so no yesa e dey ama ni papa no so a wo mu edi sa boni ba ni nyemu no se na papa yi ase no edi fata no wo mu yi pa ase dey wo case kakra because e go se nya hwe krampa aban epeja case mu na aban so dey nim se bi bi oye bia no what the fact e bata ho se na ye papa yi ma example say court ko yi paperwork we the paper cop and we show the paper cop sa no we di kunu ma papers fact show evidence for us say ni sentino di kunu ten that together wa every a wo bia no oba obetumi on sabetumi aka say na tienti ko conclude ni say ti adenti and wo mo emma no yetimi akomu bones no penny ska on the keka wo e wo septic tank mu na no nti yetimi ebo mu sie abechi wo mo mo jade ko DNA na chese de chese okay we beni ni sa fact na eno no result no ho document ka obeto chese okay say na nsem sifa ko ye document that here won abata won chese and kwasem say ye man nie won no mu anase wo mo body parts ni ata abeli ekosie ne tese wo mo insa nka no na won so akonya say wo me voice out the special because enye easy say perfume na no o meji atum say wo mo man na wo mo ati o mo nka one way or the other even at the state that kidnap your mouth say na e be say ransom no wo mo ti o mo nka na yesi wo mo ha wo chira police phone pay before chira so ye hu wo mo ha na all of a sudden wo nyi ntum sa so wo ma na gua ebe ya obi bi enu asade ye didi no neni ebeje won nti ehu be yan pa say ya police phone pay before CID phone pay before wo mo take case ye hwemu eni ko pie mu say plan no wo mo bones and that is wo mo enya wo septic tank no won be ho fact be ba ponte ho document e chese no pastor say na tie eda ma wo for no mu so ti nya boto yem say aso wo mo ma na wu grandpa the CID justice itself na pan so and that say nyama efifa fire so metima nya rohwemu say bibia akoye eda mo batie je wo mo sanse ho na say sebika na assumptions na the wo mutima obi enu an wo beto yem with that alone in terms of for insem no the ago be any need to grievances I will for no be able to job and as I bring me the abesum into who's what venture if I will for no ensem no bomodia never sumi I will to my GH your comment section on be to share video way on the social media platforms follow to my GH for Instagram Twitter so at to my GH _ Facebook to my GH nana ama ubuswa enemy day nyame aduma ebe dey share my group here.